Hello friends, welcome to the Shrakshit channel. In today's video we are going to see a shopping vlog. One pot meal, mild flavored capsicum and paneer pulao. Before moving into a video, if you're watching my channel for the first time, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. July 25th dad birthday, a small cake cutting video. So here we have ordered mango and lychee flavored ice cream cake. Many more happy returns of the day, daddy. After having a cake, today we plan to go for shopping. So whenever I plan for shopping, I just prepare to cook a simple meal. So I decided to cook one pot meal, mild flavored capsicum and paneer pulao. After having the cake, I started preparing the lunch, that is capsicum and paneer pulao. For this, place a pressure cooker, add about 1 spoon of ghee and 1 spoon of oil. Let it allow it to heat, and once the ghee is melted and oil is heated, add all the spice ingredients like 1 spoon of fennel, 3 cardamom, 3 cloves, 2 inch of cinnamon, 3 bay leaves, 1 star anise. Saute it well until a nice aroma comes from it, and add about 1 sweet green chili and chopped mint leaves and sliced onions, and saute it well until the onion becomes transparent. So here I have taken 2 medium sized onion and 3 roughly chopped tomatoes. Once onions turn transparent, add roughly chopped tomato and saute it well until tomatoes become mushy consistency. Once tomatoes becomes mushy consistency, add the cubed capsicum and add all the masala ingredients like half spoon of chili powder, 1/4 spoon of turmeric, 1/4 spoon of garam masala and 1 spoon of coriander powder, and mix it well. Now it's time to add our paneer. Mix it well and let it cook for about 5 minutes. Hence it's a mild flavored capsicum and paneer pulao. Here I'm adding the less spice ingredients. If you want, you can increase or decrease the quantity of spiciness according to your taste. You can either add the ginger garlic paste. After 5 minutes, add the required amount of water and add about 2 spoons of lemon juice and add soaked rice and mix it well and let it allow it for the rolling boiling stage, and add the chopped coriander. Keep your flame on medium. Adjust the salt according to your taste, and once water reaches to the rolling boiling stage, place the lid and let it pressure it for about 3 whistles. Once pressure is released, here our yummy and mild flavored capsicum and paneer pulao is ready. Drizzle 2 to 3 drops of ghee and have your lunch with papad or curd raita. So after completing our lunch, we started around 2:30 at afternoon. And these places are similar to the places we see in Bangalore like Chickpet, Shivaji Nagar, Jayanagar and Commercial Street. At certain point, I could not make a video at MGR Mall where we have shopped all the shirts and pants for the gents. So here I will show what we have purchased from Apurva and MGR Mall. In Apurva we purchased the sarees. This is pink and embroidered saree with blue border. It costs around 485. Totally we have purchased 4 sarees, and this is the second saree, cotton, half white with green, mild green color. Costs around 544. Actual price is 700. By discount they gave for 544 rupees. And third saree, which is my favorite one, half white with pink border. It's like a lightweight paper silk. Just I will open and show it. It costs around 1250. By the offer price they gave for 850 rupees. And this saree is for my mom. This is pure cotton with a black border and silver zari. It costs around 1850 rupees. Offer price 1150 rupees. And these are some sarees which we have purchased from the Apurva. And these are some pant and shirt pieces which we have purchased from MGR Mall. So I'm showing it roughly. 2 shirt pieces and 2 pant pieces cost around 1699 rupees. So this is my shopping vlog at Tirupati. Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Have a happy day. If you like, give big thumbs up and leave your comments in comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.